Hey everyone, Isabella and Daddy here. We're going to try to make the biggest block of TNT we can. We're told we can do about 30,000 with Python code. So here we go. We're going to try to run it, see if it works. Oh my gosh. What just happened? Okay, so hold on. Don't blow it up yet. Let Isabella do the honors. So this is about 32,000 TNT blocks. And you can't even see them all because it goes down below the earth about 15 blocks. And all the way through this wall. Let's go see if we can fly around it. Okay, Isabella? Can't see anything back over here. We can put a torch.
The torches down.
Well, it's like water down here. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see.
You can't put torches in water, though.
Well, obviously. Look, it keeps going all the way over here. That's, do we have any ground to lay a torch on there? There we go. All right, so we've got quite a bit of TNT here. Now we're going to blow it up. Isabella, do you want to do the honors?
Yes.
All right. Let us see. All right, Isabella, you're going to have to fly away. Right. Now point yourself at it before it lags. Here we go. All right. I don't know how bad it's going to lag, but we're going to see. This is in the middle of a big old mountain, so
No,
probably
it's
gonna...
just a cave.
It's a cave? Okay. Well, so we're under the ground. All right, let's see. Definitely lagging. This is an M4 iPad Pro, too. It doesn't get much faster than this.
My God.
I'm trying to fly. It's not even letting me fly.
It's not even letting us turn.
Yeah.
We're frozen.
We'll speed up this video.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're back, everybody, but I can't see much. Let's try to maybe plant some torches, get some light going in here. We really caused some havoc in here. I can't see a thing. Okay, everyone, so I've just finished running around putting torches everywhere so we can see the destruction we've caused. And this is what it looks like. Took about 30 minutes for all the explosions to finish. Let's go a little higher here. This is the opening. We've got like water just pouring down here. Just destroyed all the way to the ground. Here's my agent. So that's where we were. That's where we started. Where the explosion started was right around here. And this is what we've got left. Let's fly through here. What do we have over here? Still probably need more torches over here to see everything that's going on. Let's go down to the bottom. Let's fly back to where the agent is. And let's go down. Okay. This is as deep as it went. Blew down to here. That might have been another cavern down there. I don't think we blew that up, but it's possible. So, one heck of a destruction. That's what 30,000 blocks of TNT will do. I would do it again, but I don't want to wait around an hour for all of this. Let's go all the way up and see. It looked like it blew all the way through the surface. You could tell by all these exposed blocks. So let's go a little bit higher. And then we can kind of look around. So yeah, it blew all the way up into here. Oh, all of this too was clearly destroyed by the TNT. And all the way down in there, we just like literally blew the earth apart. Well, that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed watching. stay tuned for more exciting Minecraft, Python, fun craziness videos.